Hello guys, in this video we will see what is unable to connect to servers in battlefields. And how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Understanding the unable to connect error. Consent the unable to connect to servers error in battlefields indicates a communication failure between your gaming device core console and the Electronic Arts game servers. This disconnection can stem from various sources, including issues with your local internet connection, problems with your network hardware router modem, software conflicts on your device, firewall and terrorist outdated game files, or server-side problems originating from maintenance outages. High traffic. Pinpointing the exact cause is the first step toward resolution. Step: perform initial system and network resets. Begin troubleshooting by performing fundamental resets. First, fully close and restart the battlefield's game client. If the issue persists, power cycle your gaming platform for console by turning it off completely, waiting 30 seconds, and then powering it back on. Next, reset your home network equipment. Unplug your router and modem from their power sources. Wait for 5 seconds, then plug them back and allow them a few minutes to fully restart and re-establish an internet connection before attempting to launch battlefields again. Step: verify internet connection and server status. Confirm that your internet connection is active and stable by testing other online applications, websites, or streaming services on your device. If your internet is working correctly, the next crucial step is to check the official server status. For battlefields, visit official support websites, their dedicated server status pages, or reputable third-party server monitoring sites, Down Detector, and official social media channels. If servers are down for maintenance or experiencing widespread outages, the issue is beyond your control, and you will need to wait for to resolve it.
Step: check firewall network settings and game files. Ensure that your system's firewall, Windows Defender, or a third-party antivirus site is not blocking battlefield or the from accessing the internet temporarily. Disabling the firewall can help diagnose this for users. Clear the origin clean cache and utilize the repair game function within the launcher to fix any corrupted or missing game files. Consider flushing your cache config flushes in command prompt for Windows or switching to public servers like Google and to potentially resolve network routing issues.
Step: consider advanced network configuration or contact support. If the problem persists, investigate advanced network settings. Check your router's NAT type, and open or moderate NAT is ideal for gaming, while a strict NAT can cause connectivity issues, enabling a universal plug and play on your router, if available, or manually forwarding specific ports required by battlefield may also help as a last resort on your end. Consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling battlefields. If none of these steps resolve the issue, gather all error messages and a detailed list of troubleshooting steps you've already taken and contact support directly through their official website for personalized assistance.